In the 1960s, a German prisoner named Wolfgang managed the impossible. He was stuck in a fortress prison, no guards to bribe, no tools to dig. But he had access to a typewriter. He began forging official letters, slowly convincing the warden that he was being transferred by court order. Weeks later, he typed his own release papers, signed them, and simply walked out the front gate. He vanished for years before being caught again, smiling. He said, "They locked me in, not my mind. Would you have noticed the fake document? Or would you have let him walk free?"